Hi, my name is John Kelly. I'm a personal injury attorney that handles birth injuries throughout the nation. And we're doing a series on birth injuries. And this is the final video of the series on medical negligence. And this one is neonatal meningitis injuries at birth. Neonatal meningitis, meningitis in a newborn, is a life-threatening infection that often results from bacteria passed during childbirth. It can cause brain damage, hearing loss, seizures, or even death if not caught and treated promptly. I'll now go over failure to follow infection protocols. Courts have treated the failure to screen or prevent maternal GBS infection as a negligence per se, meaning automatic breach of the standard of care since the guidelines were completely ignored. In one Illinois case, doctors did not perform the routine GBS test or provide antibiotics, and the baby was born with group B strep infection that caused meningitis and severe cognitive impairments. The case settled out of court for $9 million to compensate the child's lifelong care needs. In another Illinois verdict, a mother known to be GBS positive did not receive timely antibiotics during labor, and her newborn developed a GBS meningitis that caused cerebral palsy, or a brain injury. The jury in that case awarded $29 million, finding that the failure to prevent the infection directly led to the child's permanent disabilities. I'll now talk a little bit about delayed treatment and misdiagnosis. Many malpractice claims cite that doctors considered the wrong diagnosis or delayed critical treatment. If it's shown that a physician dismissed the possibility of meningitis without proper testing, that can be a strong basis for liability. For example, if a doctor attributes a newborn's symptoms to benign causes, feeding issues, reflux, etc., and the child later is found to have meningitis, the case will focus on how the misjudgment violated the standard of care. Courts have consistently held that prompt diagnosis and treatment are imperative. Failing to do so is negligence when a baby's presentation should have raised alarms. As a precedent, these cases underscore that doctors' wait-and-see approach in a neonate with infections signs is unacceptable. In general, malpractice lawsuits for neonatal injuries tend to result in higher than average settlements or verdicts, reflecting the profound lifelong losses. In fact, data shows that claims involving neonates have the highest mean payouts of any pediatric malpractice cases. Median is over 300,000, with many that far exceeding 1 million. The law recognizes that a baby who survives meningitis may require decades of specialized medical care, therapy, and support. Thus, when negligence is proven, compensation is often substantial to cover these needs, as seen in the multi-million-dollar precedents above. Many cases are settled confidentially before trial, but published verdicts illustrate that courts will award significant damages when providers are found liable for an infant's preventable meningitis. If you'd like to talk more about this, please give me a call at Kelly Law Team. You can reach me at 602-283-4122.